Okay, here we have the Timelink model 88036 in P and B, pink and blue. Here comes the alarm. I'll kill the lights now. Let some color change happen. I love these two little clocks. We can't seem to keep enough of these here at 4alarmclock.com. These have rotating or static mood lights in blue, yellow, purple, green, and pink. 10-second interval color changing mode for nightlight and backlight. They also have freeze mode option to lock in your choice of color. As you know, when you press them down, you can hear the button. That's because underneath the little feet are actually the control buttons for the lighting. Very cool. It has alarm time display. Press anywhere, 5-minute snooze, same thing, boom, there's your snooze button also. And it requires one AA battery for backup. I like the quality of these little guys. They're as bright as the sun in the dark, as you're gonna see here again. I'm gonna let some color change happen. Look at that. Let's let them run their course. I like the alarm. Every kid in America is going to want one of these. I hope we keep enough. Quality by Timelink.